Are you tired of the endless struggle to download your e-ticket or e-ration card online? Not just in Jammu and Kashmir but across all states in India. Well, you have come to the right place. In this video, I will guide you through the simple steps to effortlessly download your e-ticket or e-ration card online. So let's get started. Before we dive into the process of downloading your e-ticket or e-ration card online, you need to understand this essential tool that makes all this possible. I am talking about government's very own app which not helps you with your ration card but also services like Aadhaar, PAN, driving license and much many more. I highly recommend you to download this app. It's called Digilocker. And if you are unsure about how to use it, don't worry, click on this I button or link in description. Check out the video. I have made completely comprehensive full tutorial on this. Once you have the Digilocker, let's proceed the steps for downloading your e-ticket or e-ration card online. Simply first we need to open the Digilocker app. Then you will find an option search. Click on this. Here you have to search ration card. When you search for the ration card, here you will see many states showing ration card just like Assam, ration card Chhattisgarh, ration card Kerala. Now which is your state, select that. Mine is Jammu and Kashmir. I will select that. Click on ration card Jammu and Kashmir. Here you have to give the details like father's name, same exactly mentioned in your ration card. Year of birth, it should be father's year of birth. Then here Aadhaar last 4 digit, they also should be your father's Aadhaar last 4 digit. Then you have to give your ration card number. Ration card number is RC number, that is 12 or 13 digits. Then when you will give the ration card number, then you have to select your district, and these all details should be same as mentioned in your ration card. Otherwise you will not find your ration card, e-ration card or e-ticket online. And last, you need to enter head of the family member name. Then you will click on the get document. You will see the document is fetching. Here you can download it easily on PDF or in any other format. Together we have made the process so easy to download your e-ticket or e-ration card online. All thanks to the Digilocker app. I hope you found this video very helpful and easy to follow. If you did, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful videos like this. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. I will do my best to help you out. Stay connected, stay informed and stay tuned for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching. मिलते हैं.